Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about a serious topic. What happens if you ignore social services, like Child Protective Services or CPS? It's a scary situation. A knock on the door from a caseworker can make you want to just pretend no one is home. But ignoring them is almost always the worst thing you can do. It doesn't make the problem go away. In fact, it makes it much, much bigger. When CPS first contacts you, it might be for a simple investigation based on a report. This report could be anonymous or even unfounded. But if you refuse to answer the door or return their calls, they don't just give up. They see your silence as a major red flag. It makes them think you have something to hide. A case that might have been closed quickly now becomes a priority. They will keep coming back, and they will start building a case based on your non-cooperation. If you continue to ignore them, social services will take the next step. They will go to a judge. They can get a court order that forces you to cooperate. This order can allow them to enter your home and speak to your children, with or without your consent. If you still refuse to comply, even with a court order, they won't come back alone. They will return with the police. This turns a welfare check into a potentially traumatic and confrontational situation for you and your kids. The most immediate and frightening risk of ignoring CPS is an emergency removal. If the initial report was serious, and your refusal to cooperate makes them believe a child is in imminent danger, they can petition a judge for an emergency order to remove your children from your home. This can happen very quickly. By not engaging, you lose the opportunity to tell your side of the story or show that your children are safe. Ignoring them can directly lead to the very outcome you're trying to avoid. Long-term, every act of non-cooperation is documented. It will all be used against you in family court. A judge will see a pattern of you obstructing an investigation meant to ensure a child's safety. This can be interpreted as you not acting in your child's best interest. This is the foundation for a dependency case, which can ultimately lead to the termination of your parental rights. That is the most severe consequence possible. So what should you do instead? Never ignore them. Your first call should be to a lawyer who specializes in family law or CPS cases. They can advise you on your rights and help you navigate the process safely. Cooperation, guided by legal counsel, is your best defense. It shows you take the situation seriously and have nothing to hide. This is a complex and scary topic, and remember, this is not legal advice. It's for educational purposes only. If you are facing this situation, please seek professional legal help immediately. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel.